Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use ingredients to create videos in Google Flow. So remember, we already covered the frames, which are like pictures that you want the AI to match the beginning, the end, or both with in your video. So ingredients on the other end are objects or things or people that you give the AI, and it uses that as resources to create a finished product. So these things can be interacting with each other in the video. So for example, you can upload a picture of who you want to be as the subject, and you can upload a picture of what you want the background to be, and you can also upload a picture of like objects you'd like to be seen. So right now I just finished generating my subject, so I'm gonna go back to image over here, and then I'm going to be generating more ingredients to be used for the video. So let's say I want to have the inside. Let's give that a few seconds to generate, and then next I also want another background scene. So I'm going to be So I'll give those a few minutes to generate. So we're back and some things have finished generating, but let's say I want to make some edits to this picture right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the context menu by hovering over it, and then I'm going to click on add to prompt. So I really like everything in this picture except for the fact that there are people seated in the taxi. So what I'm going to do is I've clicked on add to prompt. It adds it here to your prompt box at the bottom. And now I want to describe the fact that I want the seats to be empty. So that's a really quick and easy tip for further refining your ingredients if you're working on more particular projects. So I'll be back when this finishes generating. So as you can see, it did a pretty good job of recreating that same scene, except this time there is nobody seated at the back. So I really like the look of this one, and I'm going to simply hover over the same context menu and delete the ones that I'm not going to use. And this just keeps things a bit more tidy and neat here in my ingredients view. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one as well because I like this one a bit more. So now I can go over to video over here. Now I have ingredients selected, so I'm going to click on this plus button, and it should show all of the ingredients in this project space right now. So I'm going to be adding my subject, the taxi, and then the farmland. So there we go. I want the woman to be riding in the taxi cab framed using the rear view mirror. Then after a few seconds of riding, I want to show her exiting the cab and walking onto the path in the farmland. So I provided it with the ingredients I'd like to use, the subject, the background, and any transitions in between. You can also take this a step further and specify some more detailed things about the camera movement and the lighting so that it can match your criteria for what you want to see. Maybe I'll do just that, and I'm going to add something for the camera. So I also added this last line. There shouldn't be any extra special effects because I've noticed sometimes Google's VO model takes the liberty of adding some animated graphic effects, which I want to avoid for now. So I'm pretty satisfied with this prompt overall, and I'm going to go ahead and click on send. So now it's going to be generating the finished product, which can take a few minutes, especially depending on which model you have selected. So I'll be back in a minute or two. So the videos have finished generating, and let's go ahead and give it a watch. Let's start with this one right here. So in terms of framing, this is pretty much what I had in mind, what I wanted to see, although there are some slight imperfections, especially here when she exits the taxi cab. But let's go ahead and look at the other video.
Oh, this looks beautiful. What a lovely ride. Thank you. Wow, it's even more magical here in person. Oh, this looks beautiful.
So this one is also pretty good. It's a lot better when showing the exiting of the taxi cab, which I really like, although it still is a little imperfect, as you can see with the door sort of just facing through the woman. But besides that, I like this shot a lot more. It's more aligned with what I imagined. And if I were to further edit this, I would have to add to prompt again, or add to scene rather. And then here I would change the dialogue. There, that's the word. I'd like to keep this a silent video with no dialogue. But overall, I'm very pleased with the product, and I'm sure it wouldn't take much to get it perfect. So that's how you can generate videos using ingredients in Google Flow Studio and AI. So alright, so that's how you can use ingredients to generate videos in Google Flow. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.